Right, I don't know why I'm dreaming away, because I've got places to be, but I've got a trick for that. And here I am at R Tech, where I have a special mission in order. And here's Dom, who kindly showed me around. This magic button brings brilliant tea, and here's some of the selection of their machines.
So this is where all the torches and all the torch tools are. So you've got your Furic stuff, our Tickware, our MIG torches, CK torches, SSU foot pedals, all that sort of stuff.
As well as an impressive stock of consumables, there are all these machines right there on the shelf ready for you to order. But this is what I've come to see, the P51D plasma cutter.
Ready to cut!
Ready to cut!
This machine boasts a clean cut through 20mm solid steel, which is exactly what we're doing here.
Because effectively the pilot arc it's about 25 amps.
That pilot arc means you can cut rusty steel.
Yeah, so basically what it does is it burns anything out the way and then cuts into the main arc. So as long as that pilot arc can burn through whatever's on top, it will then sense the metal material underneath, creates the connection and then goes into full cutting power.
Joe walked me through the machine before I started doing some squiggly cuts on this 3mm solid steel. And then a competition was in order.
I didn't get that setup. That's cheating.
It's cheating, possibly.
The machine was happily in its comfort zone, but we were somewhat stretched with our artistic ability. But look how clean that has cut that piece of steel.
I was going for a flower.
That's a flower, is it?
Well, in my artistic style.
That's a West Country flower.
Wow.
Is that a flower to you, Dom?
Maybe I'll tell you what, if you put it that way, it's a bit like a seagull.
Next up was Dom to test his artistic plasma cutting skills. Lots of encouragement from the back there. And as you can see, this plasma cutter goes through the steel like a knife through butter.
The R Tech logo. If it was drawn by a 5-year-old.
Well, there's a hole.
Oh, look at that!
Look at it. Where's the bit that you've cut? Oh, stopping is cheating.
No.
We didn't discuss the rules.
Work smart.
Can't even get it out the table.
With the contest getting slightly more competitive than I had anticipated, I decided to set to doing some more cutting. And it is really impressive how this plasma cutter glides through the metal, allowing you to concentrate on the design more than the cut, which is exactly what you need with a plasma cutter. All in all, I was very impressed with the plasma cutter and at R Tech's facility. What a fantastic team. Thank you so much for having me along, and of course, I had to take one home with me. It'd be rude not to, really. Big plans afoot.